This interactive talking electric alarm clock is great for individuals who are blind or suffer from low vision. This voice recognition clock operates hands-free, offering an easy way to set your alarm clock. iVee Digit is your new personal bedside assistant designed to ease you into your bedtime and morning routines. It can tell you the time, date, and temperature. All you need to do is ask. iVee's LCD lighting is fully adjustable, while its 3 sleep sounds have been scientifically developed to induce a state of relaxation. With its understanding of 35 different voice commands, iVee Digit will be your friendly, hands-free companion. Simply say, "Hello, iVee," to get started. Hello, iVee.
Command, please.
Time.
The current time is 11:13 a.m.
Hello, iVee.
Command, please.
Today's date.
Today is Thursday, September 13th, 2012.
Hello, iVee.
Hey,
Settings.
would you like to set time, date, voice, alarm greeting, or greeting music?
Time.
Please tell me the current time.
11:14 a.m.
The time is set to 11:14 a.m.
Hello, iVee.
Command, please.
Settings.
Would you like to set time, date, voice, alarm greeting, or greeting music?
Date.
Today is set to Tuesday, September 18th, 2012.
No more small buttons and no more programming. Just speak and iVee listens. In fact, iVee's voice recognition function works so well, it is recognized by the World Blind Union. Take charge of your time without lifting a finger. Order your iVee Digit voice control alarm clock today. Call us at 1-800-468-4789 or visit www.lssproducts.com to learn more.